How to contact Uber Eats support. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to contact Uber Eats support. So if you want to contact Uber Eats support, you need to follow these steps. If you're able to access your Uber Eats account, you go ahead and log into your account. After which, click on the profile initials, and there you can find help section. Simply go ahead and click that out. You will then be asked to select the reason for contacting them or select the topic or a title and accordingly proceed on. Now, for those of you who are not able to access their account and find it quite difficult to do the steps, there is an easier way as well. You just need to launch open any browser that you have on your device. I'm going to go for the Chrome and type in Uber Eats support on the web address bar. Next, you just need to click on the search bar. You would find help.uber.com. Click the following link. This is going to take you to the page where you could go ahead and sign in or log in and then start contacting the Uber Eats support. And you could also list out the issue that you have faced, and that's the way you could contact Uber Eats support. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.